Do you want to blur houses or objects on Google Maps? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: how to blur houses or objects on Google Maps. Go to Google Maps on your computer and enter your home address in the search bar. Click on the house or object and select the Street View option. Look for the Report a Problem link in the bottom right corner of the screen and click it. Use the red box that appears to select the area of your house you want to blur. You can zoom in and out to adjust the selection. Choose My Home from the Request Blurring option. Provide details in the text box about the area you want to get blurred and explain why. Check the box for I certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property because I am the owner or tenant. I also understand that this blurring is irreversible and cannot be undone. Enter your email address and complete the CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. Click Submit to send your request to Google. Google will review your request and may follow up asking for more information to review your identity and the area to be blurred. Once approved, the blurring is permanent and cannot be undone. Blurring your home on Google Maps is a good idea if you are concerned about privacy and safety, as it prevents anyone from easily viewing details about your property. While Google automatically blurs faces and license plates, you can request additional blurring for your entire home. And there you have it, the way to blur houses or objects on Google Maps. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.